Hello students, very good morning. I hope that you are all fine and safe. So in this video we are going to start chapter 5, information processing. So in the previous term itself I would have told you, the last term, last chapter also we had information processing. So this is going to be a simple and fun-filled exercise, okay, a chapter, because here we are going to study maths in a very different way. So this is going to be little interesting also. Okay, so here we are going to learn mostly about tree diagram. So, and this you'd be familiar with. So algebraic expression we have seen in this one in the first term. Algebraic expression, verbal expression, all these things we would have seen. Okay, see what is tree diagram? It's a very simple thing. A formula or a numerical expression will be given like this, and we have to draw the tree diagram like this. So this also you would have seen in factor tree method. In that we will be writing the numbers in this circle, but here we are going to write the operation, what type of operation we are performing. For example, if we are performing division, so here it is division. See here, these two 9 minus 4 into 8 divided by 8 plus 2 into 3. These are the main operations here, because see they have taken this one as E1 and this one as E2. So this is going to be the body and the main operation is division. So division in the center with the circle and E1, E2. If they are asking us to explain this, we can write this explanation here. Okay, this is what tree diagram is. Okay, see here further they have divided this E1 and E2. So it is mainly divided by the main operation divide. So here the second operation is multiplication for the second step, and the third operation is subtraction and addition. Okay, so this is going to be a very simple one. If I solve one sum, you will be able to understand the whole exercise. So here in this chapter we are going to have two exercises. Okay, so exercise 5.1 as well as 5.2. I am going to complete both the exercise in this same video itself. So shall we proceed with the exercise 5.1. So I have copied the question. See here, I have marked a few questions. These are the questions I am going to do, and the other question is going to be a homework for you. Okay, it's going to be a very simple exercise. If you understand, it's very easy. Okay, see the first question. Convert the following numerical expression into a tree diagram. See here the numerical expression is given. We are going to convert this into a tree diagram. See, 1, 3, 5 and 6 I am going to do. Second and fourth is going to be a homework for you. So all the other things I'll do. In the third question also, 1, 4, 7, 8 and 6 I am going to do. All the other three sums is going to be a homework. Okay, we'll proceed with the questions. See the first question. Convert the following numerical expression into a tree diagram. See the expression given, 8 plus 6 into 2. So what is the main operation here? This addition is the main operation. So that one should be written in first. Okay. Next, first one is 8. Other than that we don't have anything. Here this has one expression, 6 into 2. So multiplication in circle, 6 and 2. So this is the tree diagram. Very simple one. We'll go with the next question. 3 into 5 minus 4 divided by 2. So what is the first operation? The middle one. So minus is going to be the major one. Under that 2. So left hand side we have 3 into 5. So multiplication 3, 5. Here we have a division symbol, 4 and 2. A very simple question. The next question, 6 plus 4 into 7 divided by 2 into 10 minus 5. So what is the major operation? Division. Is that clear? Next, first we'll finish the left hand side thing. So this is divided into 2. What is the main operation here? Multiplication. 7. Then 6 plus 4. Plus is the operation. 6 and 4. See here, 2 into 10 minus 5. So, it is multiplication, then 2, then 10 minus 5, minus 10 and 5. Is that clear? We'll go with the next question. I hope you're all clear with this. See the next one. 4 into 3 divided by 2 plus 8 into 5 minus 3. So what is the major operation is? Plus. First we'll go with the left hand side. See what is the next symbol? It is division. Then 2, 4 into 3, multiplication, 4, 3. So left hand side over, we'll go with the right hand side now. So 8 into 5 minus 3. So what is the major sign? Multiplication, 8, then 5 minus 3, minus 5 and 3. Is that clear? Okay. Now we'll go with the second question. So second question we are going to do it in the textbook itself. Convert the following tree diagram into numerical expression. See, 9 into 8. So what will be the answer? 9 into 8. See the second one. 7 plus 6 minus 5. So this we have to complete first. 7 plus 6 minus 5. Okay. See the third question. 8 plus 2 minus 6 plus 1. 8 plus 2 minus 6 plus 1. Okay. See the next one. 5 into 6 minus 10 divided by 2. Into 6 minus 10 divided by 2. You may ask the question, why am I putting this bracket? If a tree diagram has more than one expression. So this one we have only one operation. For the all other three questions we have more than one operation. See, minus plus. Here minus and 2 plus. Minus into division. So I am differentiating it with the brackets. Okay. So third question. See the third question. Convert the following algebraic expression into a tree diagram. Algebraic expression. So you know what is algebraic expression. It will be with alphabets. See here 10b. What is meant by 10b? 10 into b. It is nothing but 10 into b. So a simple one. Into 10 and b. Okay. We'll go to the next question. 20t into p. So 20t is nothing but 20 into t into p. Okay. First, what is the major operation? It is multiplication. P. Again, we have one more multiplication. 20 and t. Okay. See the next one. X into y minus y into z. So, what is the main operation? Minus. Multiplication. Here also multiplication. Now, x, y, here y and z. Simple. Okay. See the next question, seventh question. 4x plus 5y. So, 4x, how we should write this? 4 into x plus 5 into y. Okay. So how you will draw the tree diagram? What is the main operation? Addition. Plus into 4 and x. Again here multiplication 5 and y. Very simple. See the next question. L into Lm minus n divided by PQ plus R. So how we should write this? L into m minus n divided by P into Q plus R. Okay? Okay. Now we'll proceed with the main operation division. Next, minus n multiplication L and m. Now coming to the right hand side, plus R multiplication P and Q. Okay, so very simple questions and answer. Fourth question. See the fourth question. Convert the tree diagram into algebraic. So this also I am going to do it in the textbook. Simple. P plus Q. So P plus Q. L minus M. L minus M. A into B minus C. So there are more than two operations. So writing it separately. A into B minus C. Okay. See the fourth question. A plus B minus C plus D. A plus B minus C plus D. Okay. See the last question. A divided by A plus B divided by 4 into plus 3. So 8 divided by A plus B divided by 4 plus 3. Okay, very simple. It is a little bit confusing. Just see again. 8 divided by A plus B divided by 4 plus 3. Okay. So, we have completed exercise number 5.1. Now, we are moving to exercise number 5.2. So, here in this exercise also, all the sums is going to be easy, but it is going to be a little tricky. So, the first three questions I am going to do it in the textbook itself. Exercise 5.2 miscellaneous practice problem. Write the missing numbers in the trees. So, what are the numbers missing? See, only the symbols is given. Now, we are going to find the question marks. So, the major operation is multiplication. So, dash into multiplication, it is 15. So, the first question mark is 15 divided by 3. So, here 9 and this is 3. Okay. Next question. 65 divided by 9 plus 3. So, here it is going to be 65, 9 and 3. If you connect this with the symbol, it will be easy for you to identify. So, minus is here 8 and 5. Here 9 and 2. Is that clear? Next question. Write the missing operations in the tree. So, what are the operations missing? 8 question mark 6 divided by 2. So, what is the one and only symbol missing? It is addition. 39 minus 6 into 5. 39 question mark 6 into 5. 6 into 5. So, it is multiplication. This is subtraction. Okay. Now, check whether the tree diagram are equal or not. 6 divided by A divided by B. A division symbol, B division C. So the value may be different, but here they have given A divided by B divided by C, but here B divided by C divided by A. So they are not equal. Okay. Next question. Challenge problem. Convert the following questions into a tree diagram. See, the questions are very big here, but the answers are going to be very simple. See the first question. The number of people who visited a library in the last 5 months were 1210, 2100, 2550, 3160, 3310. So these are the last 5 months number of people who have visited the library. Draw the tree diagram of the total number of people who had used the library for the last 5 months. So total number means we have to add everything. Now we are going to draw the tree diagram. Let's do it. As I told you, the questions are going to be very big. So as I told you, total number means the main operation is going to be addition. So total number of people who had visited the library for the last 5 months means we are going to add all the 5 things. So what is the first one? 1210, 2100, 2550, 3160, 3310. So this is the answer. See the next question. Ram had a bank deposit of rupees 7,55,250 and he had withdrawn rupees 5,34,500 for educational purpose. Draw a tree diagram. So withdrawn is nothing but subtraction. So withdrawn is nothing but subtraction. Okay. So what is the main operation is going to be subtraction. What are the two numbers given? 7,55,250. Then 5,34,500. Is that clear? See the third question. In a cycle factory, 1,600 bicycles were manufactured on a day. Draw a tree diagram to find the number of bicycles produced in 20 days. So for one day, they are manufacturing 1,600 bicycles. They are asking us to find how many cycles will be manufactured in 20 days. So we are going to find the numbers. So the main operation is multiplication. So how many cycles? 1,600 into 20. Okay. So very simple. The last subdivision of this question. A company with 30 employees decided to distribute rupees 90,000 as a special bonus equally among its employees. Draw a tree diagram to show how much will each receive. So it is equally shared. So what it represents? Division. By reading the question itself, you can come to a conclusion what operation will be there. So how many employees are there? 30 employees. What is the amount to be equally shared is 90,000. Very simple. Okay. We'll move to the next question. See the next question. Write the numerical expression which gives the answer 10 and also convert into a tree diagram. So they are giving us the option to us. We are going to write a numerical expression which is giving the answer as 10. Okay, and convert it into tree diagram. Very simple, we'll do it now. So we should write an expression which gives the answer 10. So we shall write numerical expression is 15 minus 3 plus 2. So 15 minus what is 3 plus 2? 5. So 15 minus 5 is 10, which gives us 10. So this is the numerical expression. Now we are going to draw the tree diagram. So what is the main thing? Minus 15 plus 3 and 2. Is that clear? See the next question, very simple. We need not give the answer for this. We have to just write the expression and draw the diagram for the expression. Next one, use brackets in appropriate places to the expression 3 into 8 minus 5, which gives 19, and convert it into tree diagram for it. See, they have given the numerical expression and we have to find where to put the bracket which should give 19. See, we'll do it in rough work and see. See, 3 into 8 minus 5. If you put the bracket here, 3 into 8 is 24. 24 minus 5 is 19. So it is giving. We shall see in that way also. 3 into 8 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So this is not correct. So first one is correct. So what will be the numerical expression? So numerical expression will be 3 into 8 minus 5. So 3 into 8 minus 5 is equal to 19. So this is the operation. So what is the main sign? Minus 5. Here multiplication 3 and 8. 3 8s are 24. 24 minus 5 is 19. Clear? The last question. A football team gains 3 and 4 points for a successive 2 days and loses 5 points on the 3rd day. Find the total points scored by the team and also represent this in a tree diagram. So here also we are first going to write the numerical expression. So what is the expression? So numerical expression will be first 2 days 3 plus 4, last day minus 5. Okay, which is equal to 2 win. Okay, so 3 win, 4 win. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is the numerical expression. So here, which will be the main? Subtraction. Okay, so why am I putting it here? These two, they have won. This one, they have lost. Okay, so 5 plus 3 and 4. Okay, so understood? Fine. So as I told you in the beginning, this exercise and this chapter is going to be a very simple chapter. Okay. So with this, we are completing the last chapter of our this term portion. Okay, but one more exercise is pending, that is in geometry, practical geometry. So next video will be for practical geometry. You can be ready with your geometry notebook. Okay, so here I have given few sums as homework. Please try to complete your classwork as well as homework. So I hope this exercise you would have understood. It's a very simple exercise, as I told you before. Very simple one. If you are very sure about the symbols, addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, this exercise is going to be a simple and easy chapter. Okay students, so with this I'm going to wind the video. So as I told you, as I mentioned earlier, complete your classwork, complete your homework and submit it for correction. So meet you all in the next video. Thank you students. Until then, take care.